Bismillah. Have you ever thought about how peaceful your day was today? Woke up safe, had food, met family, maybe even laughed? What if your child woke up to the sound? What if your masjid, your school, your home was turned into rubble? This is the reality for thousands in Palestine. They don't just imagine suffering, they live it. Palestine is not just a land, it is the home of Al-Aqsa, the first Qibla of Islam, a place filled with barakah, a place where children smile in ruins, where mothers bury their sons with Alhamdulillah on their lips. But here's the real question. What are we doing? Scrolling past their pain? Ignoring them until the next trending hashtag? They don't need your money. They need your awareness, your du'as, your voice. So let's not be silent. Let's not be distracted. At least raise your hands and say, Ya Allah, ease their pain. Grant them victory. Unite the Ummah. And before you leave, share this message. Because you never know, your share, your dua, your awareness could be a means of barakah in someone's life. Surah Al-Baqarah 2286. Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear.